Kick off your academic journey at Canvas River Street Tower, where modern living collides with an exciting student atmosphere. Dive into a selection of chic accommodations, from stylish ensuites to spacious 2- and 3-bedroom apartments, all crafted for your comfort. Each living space features contemporary furnishings and generous room to ensure you have a tranquil retreat after a bustling day. But there's even more to discover. Embrace a lively lifestyle with amazing common amenities at your fingertips. Work up a sweat in the fully equipped gym, challenge friends in the games room, or enjoy a film in the cozy cinema. Need to focus? With secure entry and a dedicated 24-hour team, your safety and comfort are always front and center. Nestled near renowned institutions like Manchester Metropolitan University and the Manchester School of Architecture, Canvas Manchester is your gateway to the ultimate student experience. Indulge in delicious dishes at Podium, fuel up with coffee from Costa, or stock up at the nearby Lakeland Grocers. With convenient transport links just a short stroll away, exploring the city is a breeze. Ready to dive into the vibrant pulse of Manchester? Visit amberstudent.com to secure your perfect spot at Canvas River Street Tower, Manchester today.